मैं दिल से तहे दिल से मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूँ इस MSME फंक्शन जो ऑर्गेनाइज़ हुआ है। ये हमारे युवा पीढ़ी के लिए, हमारे देश की इकॉनमी के लिए, और सिर्फ हमारे देश की इकॉनमी के लिए नहीं बल्कि हर एक सरहद पार करके एक दूसरे की इकॉनमी को उभारने का ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेटफॉर्म है। MSME is just not merely a small enterprise, it is the beating heart of the future economy of the world. I congratulate those MSME thinkers who have the courage, the innovation and the resilience to meet their dreams, starting small and becoming like giants. MSME is definitely a great platform for all those who are having a dream to build their respective professional goals. I am very happy that the government of the day, under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and specifically the Minister Mr. Nitin Gadkari Sahab, who had initiated and who was heading this ministry, has given a great stage for the MSME candidates, aspirers and people who have their dreams in their heart and who want to consolidate themselves sooner. So once again I compliment the chairman of this organization, Singh Sahab, and who has organized this whole program in the most meticulous, inspiring and encouraging way with all the dignitaries and the diplomats, and I compliment all those award-winning awardees. I was very honored to be in the company of His Excellency Mr. Deepak Vora, who I know for a very long time, and I had the privilege of sharing the awards with his hand and my hand and being handed to all those award winners. Deepak Vora Sahab, I have a special regard for his intellectual prowess. He's a thinker, he's a philosopher, he's a man who has contributed in diplomacy in many areas to further the relationship between countries. I have great respect for him. I was honored to share the stage with him and all the respective awardees, the diplomats, the ambassadors. I wish this MSC enterprise of yours to flourish, grow and become stronger and stronger. Jai Hind.
Thank you. But ऐसे होता है, we all get lost in the moment because this is a very precious moment. Humble thanks to you, sir. And sir, we waiting for your dream, okay? It's going to reach you very soon. Yes, he spoke of the Bollywood film and that, and you're all amazed and you had no idea that we have Bollywood stars. So we say, yeah, really, then I'm going to wait. So that's what it is. He was waiting for your gracious presence. Mehak ma'am, for sirs as well. Thank you. So, Mehak ma'am, a ping for them too. One more ping, darling. So we did have a conversation in the morning, but this is just for the panel discussion. Sharad sir got all the answers out of you, and I'm sure everyone here is going to do trade and business now. So it's a huge honor. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please have some cheer? Talia nahi bolungi. Cheers, CD, whistles, celebration, everybody.
तुम्हारा ये कैमरामैन बड़ा खतरनाक है।
I love that.
रेल की तरह
Presenting the star. Very please congratulate Mr. Sanjay Kumar. Congratulations, Sanjeev Rana. Mr. Nitin Manan. Some space for them to come. My awardees to come, please. Congratulations to Mr. Santosh Sinha. Heartfelt congratulations to Santosh Sinha. Sanjeev Kumar Gupta. If I had been in your place, I would have taken it proxy. Everybody cheer together. Anil Batla, please. Congratulations. Please join us. And he just discovered that he's in the big poster and he loved it. I love that. Mr. Preetham Reddy, please. Mr. Santosh Sinha and Suresh Parayar. Congratulations to Mr. Vijay Kumar from Swastik Auto Quality.
Look here, sir.
Congratulations, sirs. Thank you.